Hi, I'm Nina Garland. I'm a volunteer for the Tennessee National Wildlife. I'm also a member of the Friends group. We're going to make a little craft today. It's for a little hummingbird stand, which is a very easy one. You can make it out of almost anything you have around your house, out in your yard. This one is made with the pipe cleaners and a few little beads, just for decoration, and a little stick. You could also use a pencil if you don't have a stick, or you can use anything you find in your yard, like this stick. And we're going to make this one because this one is already made. So we're going to make this one, and this is any little stick that you find out in your yard, and you just kind of wrap it up in there to make it look kind of cute and strong enough for a little hummingbird. But you want it to look kind of nice too. So we'll just kind of wrap it around here a little bit. And kind of make it level, which I'm not always good at level. But we'll make it where it will stand on there good enough. It's alive, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Nice and tight. The green really stands out on here too, but you can always use any yarn or string or anything if you don't have pipe cleaners, and just tie some little knots. You could use a pipe cleaner to hang it, but it doesn't seem to work quite as good, so a little piece of yarn kind of brought up in here. And I think we'll just kind of wrap it around a little bit. So that it's kind of even looking. And then, to hang it, you can almost do any little tie maybe to kind of put it on there. And then you can take it out. You can either tie a knot now if you've got something you can hang it on, tie a little knot in it, and hang it on whatever is close out there. But you want this kind of close to the hummingbird feeder. They like to have something to where they can watch. Make certain they're protecting it. Now you can also use beads decoration on these too, but you probably have to weave it on just a little bit. But be really creative. You can do almost anything here with this. Anything you have in your yard, your house, and it'll make a very nice, easy little craft for you to do for the hummingbird.